And hey everybody, and welcome to another bus ride with us. So we get a lot of these bus requests, and once again, this one's heading over to the Old Key West Resort. As you can see, we're currently located in Disney Springs. So we're making our way out right now. We've already started to move, but you can see in the background a Coca-Cola movie. And if you guys have any bus rides you want to see, boat rides, or anything you guys want to see at all, leave it in the comments below, guys. We're more than happy when we're in the area or doing a shooting at section of whatever you guys want. We'll throw the cameras out there and get it shot up for you guys. But don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, guys, and as always, share it out there. And also, guys, do not forget, we're still running a Star Wars hat giveaway, guys. We're trying to reach up to the 5,000 mark, so that's going to help us get there. Once we reach the 5,000, we're going to be giving that hat away, guys. Don't miss out. All you need to do is subscribe, guys. The more we get, the better we can do with giving away more merchandise and stuff down here. And hopefully in the future, we'll reach out to the subscribers and see what you guys want us to give away. And we'll end up going out there getting them items and hopefully hook you guys up with some cool Disney merchandise there. But right now we're heading out. We're almost to the very front of the Disney Springs area. And if you guys aren't familiar or haven't ever taken one of these bus rides, you're going to need to get on one of these buses over here. And anytime you come to Disney Springs, you'll park your car, you'll jump on a bus, and you'll either go over to like the Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, stuff like that, or go to the actual resorts. And that's where we're headed today, and that's Morgan saying hi over there. So right now we're coming around the corner. We're going by the last garage on this area property, and then we're going to hang a right and head on down the road. Now we always go by the Old Key West Resort when we're on this bus, because these buses always go right on by it. So you have, you're going to be going by it whether you want to or not. So we're actually going to be heading over there. It's a short bus as opposed to some of the longer ones like the All-Stars, the Animal Kingdom, the Contemporary Resort, and this one's a short ride, so we'll be there in no time. But we all come out to the little red light there. Usually there's a police car parked out here with the lights on, and you take a right at the gas station. There's your police car, and we're heading right down the road here, and we're going to head on down past this casting building over to the left, and we're going to head on down in the direction past that Silver Dome out, which is the old Planet Hollywood building there. If you guys remember back in the day, they used to have a sign on top of that, and they also used to have the alligator on it where they showed all the shirts and stuff out in front of Planet Hollywood. But that's long since been all torn down, and it's still the building, it's still the restaurant, but it's just not as nice looking as it used to be. Hopefully they give it a facelift. But right now, I look at it as an eyesore, and it kind of just doesn't fit in down here. They've redone everything in Disney Springs except for that building. So you do have the bar out in the back side of that, but you know, it's still a cool restaurant, but they do need to give it a facelift, something cool. And we're making our way right now down the street. So anytime you guys leave Disney Springs, you're always going to hang a right and you're going to head on out this direction. Right across the street from the Disney Springs is the Typhoon Lagoon. So when you guys come out, take a right. The last entrance right across the way is going to be Typhoon Lagoon, and then it's going to head you in the direction of Animal Kingdom. So you're going to be heading over in that direction towards Blizzard Beach and stuff like that. But usually up here, instead of going that direction, you're going to hang a right and go right on by Old Key West, and you're going to take a left right past that, not going far enough to go over to the Port Orleans resorts. As you can see, we're making our way down the road. Some of these bus rides, you do get some cool scenery out there, some you don't. Right there is Typhoon Lagoon. Really hard to see through the windows, but that is one of the water parks there. There are two. You've got Typhoon Lagoon and Blizzard Beach. And usually lately, one of them's open, one of them's closed. So whichever one's open, the other one's they're refurbishing. And then it's vice versa. So usually you never see these open at the same time. So hopefully they get that all fixed up soon, where you've got a choice to go to one or the other and not just have to go to one when you're here. And there's Morgan over there. He's enjoying his phone. He loves his phone. Ever since he got it, he lives on that thing. And if you guys haven't had a chance to catch him or Marley's channels, Morgan is the Disney Lorax, and Marley is Marley's hair, nails, and makeup. So if you guys want to see their channels, go right into our website. I got links right in the website. I've got you go to countrybeartours.com, right on the front page, scroll all the way down, you'll see the Disney Lorax and Marley's little tab. And we also have our website, so if you guys are looking for any of our YouTube videos and don't want to waste time punching in 5,000 words and having to keep typing in a new thing, just go on there, click on resorts, click on buses, click on monorails, click on even audio loops, and I'll take you guys to all the stuff we have posted, so that way you guys don't gotta keep going in and out of YouTube trying to find the stuff. It's gonna take you right into YouTube, guys. It's all connected. So we're hanging out right now, the red light, getting ready to start moving along. And unfortunately, on some of these bus rides, they do have some red lights that take a little bit longer than others. So this is one of them, but we're on our way again. And as you guys can see up there on the right-hand side, that is part of the Old Key West Resort. It's got the same theming as the buildings. And this is why we're making our right here. We're going to head on down. And up the street a little bit, we're going to hang a right. It's going to take you right on over. Now, if you guys see out in the distance to the left, that's over towards Epcot. So we're not going out that way today. We're going to go right up here, take a right, take another right. We're in there. Now, if you guys take a right and keep going straight a little bit, you'll get to the Saratoga Resort. And if you guys keep going straight here, it's going to take you over to French Quarter. And it's also going to take you to the Riverside. And that's all Port Orleans. So there's quite a bit right in this little area. And this is where we're going today, the Old Key West Resort. That is the oldest Disney Vacation Club timeshare on property. That's the one that started it all, guys. So this one never gets old for me. No matter how many years I've come down here, and I started coming down in the 1980s, and when they started the timeshares, I started coming down in 93 when they started in 91. So I've been coming down since way back in the beginning. So it is a little bit different. Back in the day, if you had a timeshare, you were like a king or a queen. Nowadays, I think you're just another one of the crowds, so it's not the same feeling when you go in there. But, hopefully that improves over time. I don't think it's gonna, but, you can always keep your fingers crossed. There's one of your Disney, pretty much Ubers out there. That's your Mini, and that's our Mini little, what do you call that, the van service out there. It's a shuttle service, but it's a Mini. It's like an Uber on property from Walt Disney World. And anytime you see that themed car, that's what it is. You guys call them. If you don't want to take a bus or a car, they'll come pick you up and bring you where you guys want to go. It's all about if you love spending money or not, guys. And we're actually going to do a video coming up. We're going to start doing some insight videos on ways of saving money, different things you can do for pretty much minimal money, because I know there's I run into a lot of families out here that don't really have a lot when they're coming down, but it's their once-in-a-lifetime vacation. And it's always good to be able to do more than less on a vacation and to be able to save a lot of time doing it. So keep posted for some of our videos and our shorts. We're starting to really do a lot of shorts out there, guys. And right now, we just took our last right. We're heading into the Old Key West Resort. As always, you've got a gate you've got to go through. So if you guys are going into any resort, you go through one of these gates. They say, hey, welcome home, guys. You come in, and you're usually going to go right to a hospitality house or check in. So back in the day, they used to call this the hospitality house. I know it's the check-in, so we're coming in, and they used to have a twin building on the right, but they tore it down and put extra condos in there, or timeshares in there. So that was actually a good idea because they really didn't need that building anymore. It used to just be used for sales and stuff. But we're at the stop sign in here. We're going to take a left and then a right, and we're going to end up getting dropped off where the bus drops you off out in front, guys. But this has been one of our bus rides over to the Old Key West from Disney Springs. And like I said, if you guys want to see any more, let us know. We'll get them posted out there for you guys. We just did a couple of contemporary, and we're more than happy to keep shooting over and over. But we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.